Hello everybody. Today we are going to be reviewing the KangerTech Evod starter pack. Basically these are your basic looks for the kind of red burgundy color starter pack. They have several different colors. I just happen to have the red burgundy for the starter pack. But just one pin starting out with. You have one pin, several different colors. You just have your 650 mAh battery with your tank and just your coil, which is usually a 1.8 coil with most of the starter packs. And it seems to be a pretty sleek design. You can't really tell it in the video, but the way you look at it, it looks red with a little bit of a, what do you call it, glare, kinda. Like a shine to it, like a little bit of a shine to it, more definite red. For starters, let's just look at the battery. From what I've been seeing so far, the battery seems pretty efficient, even for 650 mAhs. For your starter pack battery, it's not pushing out too bad cloud-wise, as you can see. Not like totally bad. It's a lot better than most of your like $20, $25 real cheap in the plastic on the wall of your vape shop vapes. The KangerTech Evod is definitely a lot better than most of those in your plastic on the wall, vapes in your vape shop. What? Yeah, your truck stop vapes. These are definitely a lot better than that for really not more of a buck of a difference. It's really not. Other than the multiple colors that you can pick from, in most of the KangerTech Evod starter packs, you get two of them for usually 40 bucks, and really it's $20 a pin, and they come with 5 coils and a charger. Think about that, $3 a coil times 5, that's $15. So really you're paying $25 for 2 pins. Not only does the pin look more sleek, it's pushing out a lot better vapor, a lot more flavor, and a lot better vape in general than your in the plastic cheap e-pins or just the truck stop e-pins like the Mark 10 or the Blues. Those are $10 to $15 and disposable. You smoke on those for like what, 1 to 3 days and you throw them away. You're getting 2 pins with 5 coils and a charger for 40 bucks. That's really, if you just take out the charger and the coils, that's $20 an e-cig, and they'll last you for a while. They really are. They're real tight hit. Real tight hit. Real similar to a cigarette, but you can take a little bit bigger drag. Excellent flavors. You're running the 1.8 coil. The mouthpiece does not remove on the KangerTech Evod e-pins, though. It does not remove. All one piece. You basically got 2 pieces here. You have your 650 mAh battery, and you have your tank with the non-removable piece. Like I said, the coil is running at 1.8. That's what the coil looks like. Real easy. Just the unscrew, screw back in coil. I believe that it's bottom fed. And I don't really know the milliliters of the tank, but I know that the battery is 650 mAhs, and I would definitely recommend it over any of your truck stop vapes. I would really put this over any of those. And of the couple different starter packs that I've tried, this may not be your most fancy or the most top of the line, but if you're on a little bit of a budget, you don't want to spend too much, and You just want probably just like a couple pins like I did. We got the red and we got the black for the starter pack. You get 2 pins in there, both of them equal. I mean, the KangerTech Evods, and they're really not that bad. I can tell you this. Me and my girlfriend were both heavy smokers. I would smoke about a pack a day, and she would smoke about 2 packs a day. We went to our local vape shop. We got the KangerTech Evod starter packs.
First day, I only smoked a cigarette.
First day, we each smoked a cigarette. Just off the vaping. Not only can you range anywhere between 0 nic and 24 nic, depending on how much you smoke. We started off with 12 nic and the KangerTech Evods, and we're doing great now. We have a pack of cigarettes and barely touched them. Barely touched them. It's been a couple weeks. So I would highly recommend the KangerTech Evod, not only for the slick design and the tight hit, but it has a great flavor production with the PG. And with the VG, it really doesn't give that bad of a small cloud for your first time vapor. Things I've noticed about the KangerTech Evod is it really doesn't flood that much. I haven't had any problems hardly with flooding or leaking with the KangerTech Evod.
The PG higher illegal.
But the higher the PG percentage, the higher the chance of it leaking around the air holes whenever it gets low. As far as air intake, it doesn't have the best. Obviously, it has 3 small air holes, and they don't give the greatest hit, but it's a real tight hit.
Just like a cigarette.
But just for your basic E-pen, not looking to spend a lot of money, but you don't want to get something real basic, I would get the KangerTech Evod. The basic Evod, we've had the basic Evod batteries, had a little bit of a problem with them separating at the seams. The basic Evod batteries seem to put off a little bit more of a cloud. But with a little bit bigger battery setup, you would expect that. But all in all, on a scale of 1 to 10, the KangerTech battery, I would give about a 6. And the KangerTech tank, I would give a definite strong 6. For your first time vapor, just wanting to try it, I would definitely recommend it over your truck stop vape or your real cheap basic vape right off the wall in the plastic in the vape shop. This has been JT and Sarah coming at you live. Thank you for watching.